We must stop people from stealing public money. It's a must. We must stop people from wasting public money. It is not their private money. And all of us are involved. We must not celebrate them. People come to me today, oh, Peter, this is over. You go here, they will give you here. How much money do you need to live as a human being? How long do you need to live as a human being? Everybody here, no matter how you are, no matter how big or small you are, 100 years from today, will all be covered with white cloth. So what are you acquiring for? Why are you abusing the grace of God when people are suffering? So my dear people, thank you for being part of this process. Please join in building a better Nigeria. We must put our children in a better place. We cannot bequeath them Nigeria as it is today. Otherwise, we're going to bequeath them anarchy. And that's what we are suffering. You get up every morning, all you read about Nigeria is bad news. We want to turn it into good news. As for those who think that living in Edo, I can tell you, they will come back if Edo starts working. People have gone back all over the world from where they are coming from. And Edo will not be an exception. And when they come back, Edo will be more prosperous because they will have learned a lot of things and are coming with a lot of resources. And that is how that change will come.